How big are you?
Scissor first. Don't cut my line before he breaks that shit.
Hey, hold that. Keeper? Hey, it might be. It's a keeper.
What is it? Keeper? Oh, fuck, dude, the keeper. Oh,
shit.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. What the fuck? Dude, that's the fattest fucking keeper in the whole. Oh, dude.
Cut my line real quick. Hey, hold it again. Make sure.
Let's double check.
Let me get closer. It's just a fat, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a keeper. It's a keeper. It's a keeper, dude.
Yeah.
It's a keeper. Oh my god, that's a fucking fattest sturgeon.
Whoa.
Oh. Oh.